What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Thursday, March 30th. Now, we got to talk about an NFT collection on Solana called OK Bears. OK Bears has something coming up that is really anticipated, but also there are a lot of different secrets going about, a lot of rumors. So NFT NYC is coming up very soon, and OK Bears floor price has jumped from 40 Solana up to 64 at the time of this recording. So in this video, I want to share with you what the hype is all about and what the speculation could be. We got to look at the floor price, we got to look at the chart and analysis, we got to look at these released updates regarding sneak peeks of artworks, trailers, all that jazz in this video. So again, if you like what you're about to see and if you want to support the channel, be sure to like up the button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So let's go ahead and look at the floor price. Right now, 64 Solana, 522 of these NFTs. So far to date, ever since its launch of this collection, 3 million in terms of Solana trading volume. Now, what is the hype all about? Well, it's based on this trailer. This was the first trailer that released on March 28th, just 2 days ago, that started sparking a lot of interest. It started sparking a lot of rumors. And in result of that, we saw OK Bear's rating on Hello Moon to score on the top movers in top social buying. So obviously people are aping into this project, just speculating what is that trailer all about. Now, we can see that many different orders and transactions have been happening. Yes, almost every single minute, there are these NFTs being bought up by these whales or retail investors just wanting to speculate and maybe have one or two of these NFTs in their portfolio. Now, when we look at the floor price, we gotta zoom out and see where we're at right now, because you know, if we consider that back in September or August of 2022 up until today, we've kind of been ranging between 46 Solana and to 84 Solana. So let's go ahead and zoom in right here because we do want to see where we're at right now. Now we got to look at these large green candlesticks because this is where we're starting to see a lot of the interest. Like I said, starting on the 28th, we started seeing large green candles. Now this is on the daily volume. Now, if we look here, we have to break past the 64 Solana in order to see new all-time high price actions of 82 Solana. So if we can get back up there to that all-time high, that would be great. But again, if we don't, then we may see some retracement back to 49 Solana. And that would be a great time to dollar cost average because again, we've seen it break past that and this could be the new support level. Now, if we look at the NFTs listed on the floor, we can see here that we are actually almost about to break below this 926 level or 890. Now, this is NFTs across the whole board. Now, we did just mention that there were around 500 NFTs on Magic Eden, but overall throughout all these different Solana markets, it could be Coral Cube, Hyperspace, Magic Eden, we still have around 900 or 800 of these NFTs circulating throughout the whole Solana ecosystem. So keep that in mind. So we have to drop below that. And if we can, hopefully we can revisit levels back in January 8th of 2023 and also back on July 29th of 2022. Now, we look down here at the relative strength index. We've seen a downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, and now we could experience another uptrend. But again, we've seen levels like this before here, and here. What happens after that? We usually take a little bit of a downturn, slightly or majorly. So again, could this be the top? Could this be the bottom? Who knows? But again, I do expect that this could actually show some weak activity in the coming weeks, but who knows? We'll see what that looks like later on down the road. Now, next up, we gotta look at different things that OK Bears has responded to. These are tweets responding to other people. And I wanna show this to you because you gotta understand what OK Bears is hinting at. So Minister is an influencer in the Twitter space, and he was speculating which is going to be the next #1 NFT collection on Solana, considering that DeGod is living. And so OK Bears said that possibly they're going to be the #1 NFT collection because they're a household brand. They have partnerships with IMG, a way to give back to their holders that are a perfect blend between Web 2 and Web 3 and more. So that's one example. Another one is SoulBear. Now, SoulBear is another influencer. He says, "Are you bullish on the Bears?" And he said, "The gang is here." Now, OK Bears replied with this sneak peek artwork, which is hinting towards what we saw in the trailer not too long with this character. So what are these other two? We will see. Another thing I want to share with you is Drims. It says, what if the clues have been right in front of our own eyes for months? And basically what we're seeing in this trailer is we're seeing OKBear heads on top of clothing, merchandise, fashion. And this could be related to the IMG, which is basically an agency within marketing and possibly in fashion, who knows? And so OKBear has responded, Drims, do you want to give PowerPixel a heart attack? This is some major alpha. So this again could be hinting at something. Is OKBears going to be merged with a major fashion brand or major communities within fashion? That'd be outstanding. And then also, Soul Princess said, it's really nice to see bears building hype back around their projects. And what OKBear said is, we're just starting up Princess. And again, another sneak peek of some artwork. We don't know what this is. This could be anything from our own eyes. And also, Kai had something else to say. He says, first they dye you, then they FUD you, then they fade you, then they ape in. And what is this in regards to? It's in regards to the OKBears Boombox NFTs. And as you can see here, the price uptick has gone up. The Boombox are these NFTs. We've seen this floor price jump below 20 Solana up to 29 Solana shortly after. So that's crazy. So these Boomboxes are definitely sought after. And we can even see over here that OKBears founder coins are also picking up a lot of steam. And this is anticipation for the NFT New York event that's coming up very, very soon. So people are really hyped up and starting to buy these founder coins. And these are the coins right here. These used to be around 1.5 Solana, now jumped up to 4.3 Solana, and we already had one that sold. So that's crazy to see that these things are booming and they're catching up. And again, as a reminder, Kai, the founder of OKBear, says, I have a feeling that the next 2 weeks are going to be huge for OKBears. So keep that in mind. New York NFT NYC is coming right up and just around the corner. So let's go ahead and conclude with my own predictions of what this possibly could mean. So right now we're seeing the floor price jump up to 64 Solana. Right now, we could expect the floor price maybe to increase until we get to NFT NYC. But what happens after that? Well, we have to see what type of news is going to come from this event. But if this news is really bullish, if somehow this partnership is going to take us from Web3 to a really major Web2 adoption or integration, then OKBears can actually continue to go up. Maybe even up to 80 Solana, who knows? But if the news isn't so great, then we're going to revisit levels back to 40 to 50 Solana. And that could be a good time to have a dollar cost average or some exposure then. But again, you have to do your own research, speculate all you want, but you have to plan accordingly. You have to time all these things, considering that OKBears founder coins, the boomboxes, and the NFT of these PFPs themselves with the bears, they can all change drastically within that time frame. So plan everything accordingly. So if you like what you've seen and heard, please do smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls on buy and sell orders on both NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Till then, I'll see you guys and girls and bears next time.